Lenz's law. The Faraday's law of induction gives the magnitude of the induced EMF. But what about the polarity of the EMF? The polarity of the induced EMF is given by a law of electromagnetism called Lenz's law. Let's take the experimental setup. The bulb and the coil connected with a bar magnet. We move the magnet into the coil at a constant velocity, say v. As long as there is a relative motion between the two, the bulb lights up. Now the question is, where does the bulb get energy to light up? It is from the work we do to move the magnet into the coil at a constant velocity. When we move the magnet towards the coil, we experience a repulsive force from the coil that tries to slow us down, so we must do some work to overcome this force and move the magnet towards the coil. As we try to move the magnet into the coil, we experience a greater force that tries to slow down the motion of the magnet. This is much like moving the north pole of a magnet towards the north pole of another magnet. Thus the coil behaves like a magnet, such that it will oppose the motion. For a coil of wire to become a magnet, current must flow through it. The direction of this induced current must produce a magnetic field that will oppose the change that produced it. This is Lenz's law. Let's make Lenz's law easy by right hand thumb rule to know the direction of the induced current. For that, we are going to use our right hand. Be ready. We fold our fingers like shown in the video to grip the coil. The four fingers direction denotes that the magnetic field direction acts on the coil. The remaining thumb finger direction denotes the induced current direction.